Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Inventor tutorial how to background to white. So to change background to white in Inventor, you can go to file menu and then click option button. Will be show for application option dialog box. In there you can go to color tab and I will create new color scheme. You can click customize scheme button, click new, set the name. I will set into white background. Click OK. Now you can click on backgrounds and then in screen you can change color into white. Click OK. Choose the white background and then for background you can set into one color. Click apply and you can see the background will be changed into white color. To change into default, you can click again the select option, click apply, set into default, and to set into white, you can click this option, click apply. Okay, that's it for basic Inventor tutorial, how to background to white. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.